head goes like this and it's sealed, then you basically got to tighten it as fast as possible. If it's unsealed, then you might want to get a new one because it could be ruined if you've left this for a while. Basically what you want to do is you're going to need a size 6 Allen key, like this. Size 5 Allen key, like this. And you're going to want to loosen these two bolts on the side of your stem with your size 6. And then loosen the top bolt, which probably will already be loose, with your size 5. And then tighten the top bolt. Don't tighten it too tight or you might snap your star nut if you've got a sealed one, if you've got a loose bolt or anything. Oh, my bars have moved. Tighten that. The bolt just fell off my Allen keys. That could be a problem. Camera do, pack the bolt. Right, so once that's nice and tight, always happens. You want to tighten the side bolts with your size 6. Evenly tighten them, just not tightly ripped up anyway. Plenty of bars around, it's easier for me. Go tighten that. It's much easier if you've got like a ratchet set with Allen keys. It's just simple, quick. It's one up. This thing. Gotta make sure your bars are straight, or then you'll have to do it all over again. So once that's nice and tight, you can see no more rattles. Hope that came in handy, and it's silent now. Hopefully you don't need to buy another one, because if it's unsealed and it's like ball bearing, what you might find is you might have to take it apart and look at all your space stars, your ball bearing. They could all be ruined because of your wobbliness, could be hitting off a head tube, snapping them, wearing them in. So it's safer just to buy a sealed one. That's how you tighten it. Hope you found that handy. Comment any questions, anything you want me to teach you how to do, fix. Right, subscribe.